In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort by date in Smartsheet. Sorting by date is one of the simplest but most powerful ways to keep your projects organized. Whether you're tracking deadlines, start dates, or milestones, having your rows in the right order makes it much easier to see what's coming up and what's already passed. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the most direct and reliable way to sort any date column in Smartsheet, and I'll explain what each choice actually does so you always get the results you expect. First, make sure you're looking at the sheet that contains the date column you want to work with, and that the column is actually set to use a date format. Once you've confirmed that, move your mouse to the top of that column, right over the header where the column name appears. Instead of left-clicking like you normally do, you're going to right-click directly on that header. This opens a context menu with several options specific to that column. From that menu, look for the option labeled Sort Rows and click it. This is the dedicated sorting tool for that column, and using it helps you avoid accidentally sorting by the wrong field. When you click Sort Rows, Smartsheet will open a small sorting window that lets you choose how you want to order your dates. In this window, you'll see choices for the sort order. If you select Ascending, Smartsheet will arrange your dates from the oldest at the top to the newest at the bottom. This is great when you want to see your historical items first or follow a timeline from the past into the future. If you select Descending, it does the opposite. The newest or most recent dates appear at the top, and the older ones move toward the bottom. This is especially useful if you want to focus on upcoming deadlines or the most current activity. Take a moment to think about what you want to prioritize in your view, then click the option that makes the most sense for your workflow. Once you've chosen either ascending or descending, go ahead and confirm the change by clicking OK. As soon as you do that, Smartsheet will instantly reorder the rows in your sheet based on the dates in that column. If anything doesn't look right afterward, remember that sorting only changes the order of your rows. It doesn't delete or edit any data. You can always sort again using the same steps until the view matches what you need.